In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect DocuSign to Gmail in a few easy steps. This integration is a powerful tool that enables you to streamline your document signing processes directly from your Gmail account, making it more efficient and convenient. To get started, open a web browser and navigate to the DocuSign website. This platform is renowned as the leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, and it's designed to be user-friendly even if you're new to digital document management. Once you are on the home page, look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the DocuSign home page. This is where you manage all your document signing tasks and oversee your agreement dashboard. Here, you'll want to shift your attention to the admin section. Locate the admin button on the interface and click on it to proceed to the next step. Once in the admin area, you'll see various options that allow you to customize and manage your DocuSign account settings. The real game changer happens here, where you'll want to select the Connect button. This button serves as a gateway to integrating external applications with your DocuSign account, unlocking a whole new level of functionality. Following that, you'll see the option to Add Configuration. Click on it and get ready to enhance your DocuSign experience with external applications. At this point, you may notice multiple options to connect different services. We're specifically interested in pairing DocuSign with Gmail, so your next move is crucial. You'll need to first select OneDrive, which might seem unrelated, but it's part of setting up subsequent options in the configuration flow. Continue by choosing Go to Agreement Actions. This section allows you to determine how agreements are handled once integrated applications are configured. To wrap it up, head over to Connect New App. This feature enables you to discover and integrate new applications with your DocuSign account. Here, among the list of choices, select Google Drive. This might seem unexpected if you're looking to connect Gmail, but integrating with Google Drive will provide a seamless pathway to manage documents directly from your Gmail once everything is set up, leveraging the interoperability between Google services. Now you've successfully completed the steps to connect DocuSign to Gmail through Google Drive configuration. This connection will significantly streamline your workflow by allowing direct management of your electronic documents and signatures within your Gmail environment. Remember, seamless integrations like these are designed to enhance efficiency, allowing you to focus more on what truly matters, finalizing your agreements faster and more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made connecting DocuSign to Gmail a breeze for you. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to consult DocuSign's support resources for further assistance.